In this video, we are testing the air compressor. We activated the compressor using the relay, but it doesn't work. It engages momentarily, but it doesn't start. As you can see, the fuse was burned.
This is the fuse, my third fuse burn.
We tested the Aerosus air compressor twice before this video, and each time it blew a fuse. Following the test requested by Aerosus, it has now resulted in a total of 3 blown fuses. In addition to reimbursement for the cost of the damaged fuses, we would also like to request compensation for the time it took to set up and conduct these tests, as per their request. The same setup was tested on the air compressor from the BMW, and it didn't burn the fuse. The BMW air compressor runs fine and doesn't blow the fuse. However, the problem with the BMW is the air suspension compressor solenoid. Before it completely stops working, I plan to replace the entire air compressor. In fact, this was the entire reason for purchasing the new air compressor from Aerosus, to replace the BMW's air compressor before the solenoid completely failed.